Hello, friends. Welcome back to another vital episode here at Senior Medical Hub. I want you to take a brief second and ask yourself a very honest question. Do you dream of the days when you could walk freely without needing a cane, a walker, or someone's arm to lean on? But here is the reality. Do your legs and knees feel like they just can't support you anymore? Maybe you've noticed that a simple trip to the grocery store or walking down the driveway to get the mail leaves you feeling exhausted, like your legs have turned to lead. You take one step and it feels like a marathon. When you wake up in the morning, is the first thing you feel a sharp ache in the soles of your feet? Is there a heaviness in your body or a stiffness in your joints that makes getting out of bed feel like a battle? If your day starts with pain, it ruins everything that follows. Maybe this pain is stopping you from doing the things you love most. You want to get down on the rug and play with your grandkids, or maybe just sit in the backyard and garden. But you're terrified that if you get down, you won't be able to get back up. So you start withdrawing. You sit more. You move less. Does this sound familiar? You walk a few blocks and suddenly you're out of breath, your heart is pounding, and your legs feel like they have zero battery left? Listen to me closely. If you are nodding your head right now, please do not dismiss this as just getting old. That is a dangerous mindset. Your body is trying to send you a frantic signal. These symptoms are often a red flag that you are missing essential nutrients. Deficiencies that are slowly making your bones hollow and your muscles weak from the inside out. But here is the good news. You do not need to spend thousands of dollars on expensive therapies, and you certainly don't need to swallow a handful of chemical-heavy pills right away. The solution might actually be hiding in your pantry right now. Today, I am going to share 5 ancient superfoods that are easily available here in the US. These foods can help make your bones as strong as steel and flush out that old stubborn inflammation and stiffness. What are these foods? How exactly should you eat them? And most importantly, what mistakes must you avoid to make sure they work? We are going to cover it all. If you want to walk down the streets of Chicago, hike the trails in Colorado, or just walk around your own home with confidence and zero pain, this video is going to be a total game changer for you. If this is your first time here, please hit that subscribe button for Senior Medical Hub and share this with a friend or a family member because one click could change someone's life. Let's dive in. 1. Sesame seeds, the calcium gold mine. When we think about strong bones, our minds usually go straight to childhood memories of drinking a big glass of milk, right? But I'm about to tell you a fact that might blow your mind. Tiny white sesame seeds actually contain significantly more calcium than regular milk. Science tells us that 100 grams of sesame seeds contain nearly 1,250 milligrams of calcium. Compare that to full cream milk, which only has about 125 milligrams. That is a massive difference. For many of us seniors who have become lactose intolerant or just can't stomach dairy like we used to, sesame seeds are a miracle. Beyond calcium, they are packed with magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc. This combination increases your bone density, literally filling in the gaps in your bones so they don't become brittle. This is your frontline defense against osteoporosis. Plus, they are rich in protein and healthy fatty acids, which work like magic to stop those nasty muscle cramps and spasms. How to eat them? Every day, try to eat about a tablespoon, 20 to 25 grams, of lightly roasted white sesame seeds. But here is the trick. You must chew them very, very well. Chew them until they become a paste in your mouth so your body can absorb the nutrients. You can sprinkle them on your oatmeal, mix them into a salad, or eat them with a little bit of honey or maple syrup.
In the winter months, eating sesame with a little natural sweetness gives you iron too, which helps fight fatigue.
Now, before I reveal the next superfood, I need to tell you something that most doctors are too busy to mention. There is a hidden enemy in your daily routine that might be destroying your joints faster than these foods can heal them. It's a habit 90% of seniors do every morning without realizing it's causing inflammation. Before we continue, tell me in the comments where you're watching this video from. And if you have any personal question or health concern, make sure to share it in the comments. I read every one of them. Whether you're watching from Texas, New York, Florida, or anywhere in between, I want to know. If you have a specific pain, like a clicking knee or a stiff lower back, drop it in the comments. We use your feedback to decide exactly what videos to make next. So pause the video right now, leave a comment, and let's connect. 2. Golden milk, or turmeric milk. The second item you need to add to your routine is something trendy cafes call a turmeric latte, but we know it as golden milk. The secret power of turmeric comes from a compound called curcumin. This is one of the most powerful anti-inflammatories on the planet. As we age, our bodies suffer from chronic inflammation. This is the villain behind arthritis, joint swelling, and that locked-up feeling you get in your knees. Curcumin shuts that inflammation down. How to make it? Before bed, take a glass of warm milk, dairy or almond milk, and mix in half a teaspoon of organic turmeric powder. But here is the secret weapon. You must add a pinch or two of black pepper. Without black pepper, your body passes the turmeric right out. The pepper contains piperine, which boosts the absorption of turmeric by 2,000%. If you want to supercharge it, add a little pinch of dry ginger powder for pain relief. This is a double shield for your joints. 3. Sprouted mung beans and chickpeas. Our grandparents used to say that sprouted beans give you horsepower, and they weren't lying. Sprouted chickpeas, or garbanzo beans, and green mung beans are powerhouses of protein and iron. As seniors, muscle loss is a huge issue. We need protein to repair that muscle tissue so you have the strength to lift your legs. The iron boosts your hemoglobin, improving blood circulation. Better circulation means less numbness and tingling in your feet. How to eat them? Soak the beans overnight until they sprout. Mix them with some chopped onion, tomato, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a dash of black pepper. It makes a delicious, crunchy salad. Eat this for breakfast or as a midday snack. If raw sprouts give you gas or are hard to digest, which is common, simply steam them or boil them lightly. You still get the nutrients, but they become much easier on your stomach. 4. Almonds. Number 4 is the mighty almond. These are packed with calcium, magnesium, and healthy fats. Magnesium and calcium are best friends. They work together to ensure your muscles contract and relax properly. Do you ever wake up in the middle of a night with a charley horse or a leg cramp? That's often a magnesium deficiency. Regular almonds can fix that. How to eat them? Soak 5 or 6 almonds in water overnight. In the morning, peel off the skin and eat them. If chewing hard nuts is difficult for your teeth, toss them in a blender with your morning smoothie or crush them into a paste and mix it with your milk. 5. Fenugreek seeds, or methi. Our final superfood is fenugreek. In holistic medicine, these seeds are considered a great medicine for arthritis. Modern science agrees. They contain powerful compounds that reduce swelling in the joint capsule. Studies show that people who consume fenugreek recover from muscle fatigue faster. The best way to use it? Soak a teaspoon of these seeds in a glass of water overnight. In the morning, drink the water on an empty stomach and chew the softened seeds. Not only will this help your pain, but it's fantastic for digestion. Just adding these small things can act like magic. Bananas and raisins. Bananas have potassium, which stops cramps. Raisins have iron. Soaking raisins overnight and eating them with a banana is a great energy booster. Beets. Beets boost nitric oxide, which opens up your blood vessels and improves blood flow to weak legs. Walnuts. These are rich in omega-3s, which act like the grease or lubrication for your stiff joints. Ghee or coconut oil. Don't be afraid of healthy fats. A moderate amount of grass-fed ghee or coconut oil helps lubricate your joints from the inside. The danger foods, what to stop eating. You can eat all the superfoods you want, but they won't work if you are poisoning your body with these three things. Sugar and processed juices. White sugar is a calcium thief. It leaches minerals out of your bones. Excess salt. Too much sodium causes water retention, making your ankles and knees swell up. Fried foods and processed meats. Cut down on the bacon, deli meats, and deep-fried foods. They increase uric acid, which can lead to gout and severe joint pain. And remember, motion is lotion. You must move. Try to walk for 15 minutes a day. Do some light stretching in bed before you stand up. The 5 pillars of longevity, what your doctor didn't tell you. We're coming to the end of the video, but I want to take these last few minutes to have a serious heart-to-heart with you. I want to share some deeper insights that most doctors simply don't have the time to explain during a 15-minute appointment. Healing your joints and regaining your independence isn't just about what you eat, it is about your entire lifestyle ecosystem. First, let's talk about the mechanics of weight. I know it's a sensitive topic, but we have to address it. Your knees are the load-bearing pillars of your body. Think of them like the shocks on a car. Science tells us that for every single pound of body weight you carry, your knees feel 4 pounds of pressure when you walk. That means if you lose just 5 pounds, you are taking 20 pounds of crushing pressure off your knees. That is immediate relief. You don't need to starve yourself. Just focus on reducing bread and pasta and increasing those leafy greens and proteins we talked about. Second is the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D. In modern America, we spend so much time indoors, in air conditioning, in cars, in malls. We have become hidden from the sun. You can drink all the milk and eat all the sesame seeds in the world, but if your vitamin D levels are low, your body cannot absorb that calcium. It just passes right through you. If you can, sit on your porch for 15 minutes in the morning. Let the sun hit your arms and legs. If you live in a place with harsh winters like Chicago or New York, talk to your doctor about a high-quality vitamin D supplement. It is non-negotiable for bone health. Third is looking at your feet. Many seniors suffer from knee and hip pain solely because they are wearing the wrong shoes. Are you wearing old, worn-out slippers around the house or hard-soled dress shoes? Stop immediately. You need shoes with a soft, cushioned sole and proper arch support. When you walk on concrete sidewalks or hard tile floors, you need shock absorption. Otherwise, that impact travels straight up to your knee joint. A small investment in good walking shoes can save you a fortune in medical bills later. Fourth is the lost art of massage. Our grandmothers knew something we forgot. Massaging your knees with warm oil, like mustard oil or coconut oil infused with a little garlic, isn't just an old wives' tale. It increases blood flow to the area. When blood flow increases, healing nutrients can actually reach the damaged tissue. Do this gently for 5 minutes before a warm shower. It works wonders. Fifth and finally, hydration. Did you know that the cartilage in your knees, that spongy cushion that stops your bones from rubbing together, is mostly made of water? As we age, our bodies naturally dry out. If you are dehydrated, your cartilage loses its sponge-like quality and becomes hard and brittle. That leads to friction and pain. Make a goal to drink 3 to 4 liters of water a day. If plain water is boring, add a slice of lemon or cucumber. And please prioritize your sleep. When you sleep deeply, your body releases growth hormones that repair the micro tears in your muscles and tissues. If you are stressed and not sleeping, your body never gets the chance to fix itself. Friends, none of this is a magic wand. Eating almonds today won't fix your knees by tomorrow morning. You have to be patient. Give this protocol at least 2 to 3 months of consistent effort. I promise you, if you stick with it, you will see a transformation. You will feel lighter, stronger, and more alive than you have in years. Your health is your true wealth. Thank you so much for spending your time with us here at Senior Medical Hub. We appreciate you more than you know. We will see you in the next video with more life-changing tips. Until then, take care of yourself and keep moving.